This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Solange Mariani. Outstanding home on large, cul-de-sac lot. Gorgeous entry to open floor plan with high ceilings and private study with French doors. Outdoor covered patio. Stunning kitchen with stainless steel appliances, spacious granite countertops, breakfast area. Game room upstairs. Large master bedroom downstairs with his and her vanities. Home zone to top 3 elementary schools in Houston. Quick walk to Tupelo Park and a 2-minute drive to Rob Fleming Aquatic Center, YMCA and HEB/Creekside Village Green. For more information, review the details below or contact Solange Mariani at 832-309-6874.